Yeah, we put in the positive wire instead of negative.
Oops.
Definitely feels like back science.
Yeah. Yes, now turn the bubble on.
It says 2 amps.
Yeah.
Alright, let's turn it on.
Turn that on. Dark. Maybe this one's closest to the Didn't make that easy for ourselves, did we?
Oh wow, the color is different. So this is, I think, same brass one.
Yeah.
That looks good though. That's really cool. 230, I'm gonna. It looks like a red.
It does.
Right, so I'll just eyeball like that. And 2 liters. Or full or a liter.
Those 2 litres.
Full?
Yeah. Looks like a medicine. I feel center right now.
So 60?
60.
60.
What is it now? 20.
A few minutes later.
Alright, 60. Alright, let's do it. So 2-3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Right, after 2 minutes, let's see how it looks.
Woo!
Look at that! Looks. This is more like a purple.
Purple. And
Gee.
that's real pink.
Oh, look at that.
That's really
That's really.
colour you're looking for.
Yeah.
start. Ready?
Ready. So we'll watch it first and we'll just see what sort of
And make sure current.
full
was
is
it? Oh wow. That's quick. 20 degrees.
below
Below
25.
25, okay. So we're gonna wait for one hour?
Yeah.
And so we're not gonna flip or anything and see if the top and bottom is even anodizing. And this one, tomorrow we're gonna do in the 30 minutes time, we're gonna flip and then see what happens, if the colors will change or, you know, but yeah, it should be good. Yeah, so we're gonna put baking soda. We're gonna wear a mask.
Right, go for it.
Yeah, it's a lot dark. So the etching part is finished, it's done, and it's meant to be more shiny if I've done like correct way. I'm not sure if the temperature was too high or maybe it wasn't enough cleaning. I don't know what caused what is the reason, but it's meant to be more shinier. But now, doesn't matter. This is the experiment. So next step is we're gonna dye it.
I think 60 at least.
At least 60. We just wait a few minutes and we're gonna soak it in for 2 minutes. 61. So I'm just gonna a little bit make it low heat. 44. So we're gonna take it out in 2 minutes. Alright, so after 2 minutes, and now we're gonna clean with the hot water. I don't know how long I have to soak it for, but apparently that's like a sealed dye better instead of cold water. Because this side is kind of quite dark, but this side looks alright.
Yeah.
It's not quite pink yet. It's almost like it's hard to see through the camera, but to me it's like more purple. And this other side it's quite dark. But yeah, so I'm just gonna hang and let it dry.
So this is the one I did this morning,
Yeah.
and you can still see the sandblasting marks on it.
Yeah.
And I think that's what made it go dark.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
So I did the old red belt,
Okay.
and the problem with that was it's kind of uneven. That's the new blue belt,
It's much cream.
and I sandblasted them all before, just like they were.
Yeah.
That looks better. This is the red belt, which is rougher, and then that's the new red belt, and then the new blue belt.
What do you think? What should we do?
Well, I think I'm either going to do, personally, that looks pretty good.
Which one is it?
That's the blue, new blue.
Yeah.
And you can see that bevel is still on there.
Yeah.
So we haven't taken anything off.
Yeah.
So
As long as we don't take anything off,
I agree.
I'll be happy.
Alright.
Whichever works. That sounds good. So
I'm
blue,
going to use that new blue one then.
new blue one. Yeah.
New blue belt.
Done. Alright, once you finish cleaning with degreaser, I'm gonna use a distilled water. If it's clean, apparently you don't see anything on the surface, and the water is just kind of like, I don't know, smooth.
I reckon it's clean.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
We'll soon find out.
Yeah, so David fixed the wires. So this is meant to be negative, not positive. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I think it's good to go. As you can see, you see the bubbles? Catch on the video, but yeah, it's bubbling without so that bubbles sometimes sticking to the surface. And we don't want that. So that's why we need an air pump to get rid of all the bubbles. I got it from eBay. It's pretty cheap. So anyway, alright, let's start it.
Just turn it off, turn the power supply off. Got a bit touching.
The lid.
Yeah.
Oops.
Right, let's start it. And we're gonna wait for 1 hour. Hopefully this time we get better color, like a better etching.
See?
Yeah, let's see. Right. So after 1 hour, it looks definitely shinier than the first one, I think. But let's just turn it off. We're using a bicarb soda to neutralize the acid. This is after cleaning. If you compare to the last one, it looks so much shinier. And there's a couple like a dark spot in too, but
Not
this,
like last time.
yeah, this is looking good. 59. So we're gonna soak it in for 2 minutes. 37. So I'm gonna take it off in 39.
Excited?
I'm very excited. I think this is gonna be a lot better than that one. After 2 minutes, this is how it look. You guys ready? Whoa! Look at that. Japan using a boiled water is better to seal the seal the dye. We tested the first day when we tested, we used the cold water to clean, and it worked. But many people say boiled water is better, and I don't even know how long for. Some people say 10 minutes, other people say 15. So we're just gonna guess, I guess. And ideally next time I'm gonna buy a new pot so I can boil and just soak it in like in there instead of like doing this. But looking good though.